Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Audi Q5, then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. It's a TDI S Plus Quattro, 2015 on a 64 plate, has done 69,131 miles. Fuel economy, urban is 41.5 miles per gallon, extra-urban 52.3 miles per gallon. And combined is 47.9 miles per gallon. Has a 0 to 60 time of 9 seconds, a top speed of 127 miles per hour out of 175 brake horsepower, 16 valve 4-cylinder engine. It's MOT'd until the 23rd of the 1st 2021, so we'll be getting that done again. 6 months road tax is £112.75 and 12 months is only £205. At the front here we've got the parking sensors in the bumper, xenon headlamps, front fogs, the chrome Audi grille surround. Then on the wings, or the wing edges, you've got these little plastic protectors stroke kind of mud flaps, stop mud flying up your wings. Pretty good idea to be fair. And also if you get too close to something, the plastic will get it first. The 5 triple spoke alloys, and it's sat on Goodyears all round. Got the S-Line badge and the front wing there. It's a kind of a myriad of S-Line badges on these cars. The chrome window surrounds, rear privacy glass, the aluminium roof bar carrier system, and then you've got this protector there for the sills and the bottom of the doors. Chrome again, chrome trims on the door handles. Looks a really nice car. I've got to say it's quite a flash. The little discreet flap on the back there, integrated tailgate spoiler, privacy glass in the back screen, rear wash wipe, and also there, I think it is, you've got reversing camera. Let's just see, there you go, the reversing camera lens. It's power open and close tailgate. There's a hard load cover there, reversing sensors in the bumper, chrome exhaust tip, the rear seats split independently, and they're a kind of 60-40 or 70-30 configuration. Good idea here from Audi. Just, if I can find it, little handle there. If you pull that handle, the back seats flip down. You've just got to fasten them down by force when you go round, but it's a good idea just pulling the handle. Of course that wasn't a good idea because I bent my nail back and it killed. Anyway, there you go, power folding tailgate. So after flipping the seat down from the catch in the back seat, you would just have to lock it into place like so, but a lot easier than messing about leaning over. There's a little handle at the side there. If you flick that, seat comes back up. Put it back into place there, and let's just see. There you go. So it's also 2-position backrest as well. Got the carpet floor mats, lovely. I think it's Milano leather. Seats in the back, well, seats in the front too. Rear centre armrest. The front seats are embossed with the S-Line logo again, and as are the kick panels as you get out. This has Isofix anchor points for the rear child seats too. As you can see, the S-Line scuff panels there. Just take you for a ride in it. It's bad news when the bin wagon sounds better than your car. The Audi keys here, foot on the clutch, key in the ignition, and it'll start up. And service history, just go through that now. 24th of the 5th 2016 at 17,105 miles, Stoke Audi. 29th of the 12th 2017 at 37,944 miles, Stoke Audi. 5th of the 4th 2019, 53,943 miles, that's TT Mechanics Knutsford, and that was front and rear discs and pads. And then the 15th of the 7th 2019 at 57,315 miles, TT Mechanics Knutsford again. 25th of the 9th 2020 at 67,828 miles, TT Mechanics Knutsford, and it's done 69,138 miles now. So real good service history there. We'll just set off. So long as you've actually handbrakes on there. In an Audi, if you've got your seatbelt on, you put it in gear and you set off, handbrake will come off. Just put it on. So handbrake's on there. If you've not got your seatbelt on and you set off, it's not going anywhere. So that's quite a good safety feature. Let's just see, where is it? There we go. Height and reach adjustable multifunction steering wheel. It's going, seems to, this very, very quiet road seems to have got busy all of a sudden. We've got sat nav, Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio streaming. The buttons are here for the nav and the telephone and so on, and it's pretty good because you can remember where everything is from without looking, from the kind of the center of the button. There you go, that's your nav, and then your telephone. No need to look, and then over on this side. But you've got other buttons round here, and each of those buttons round the central controller controls the instructions in the corners there. So each of those corresponding buttons. Terrible driving from me there. Just give it some gas. Goodyear tyres all round, nice and quiet, nice and smooth. In 6th gear there, doing 60 miles an hour at just less than 2,000 revs. Look at him. Driving a big tractor like that round a roundabout, and he's on his phone. I've seen him before and he's always on his phone. He's going to kill somebody in that. Moby. I have to say, it's a lovely car to drive, this. You've got just down there, probably can't see it, but just down there you've got your cruise control, indicator, wipers, volume control for your audio and stereo and so on. Now, the funny thing is, this vehicle has got a real good audio system in it, and when I got in it, it sounded absolutely, come through the lights late much. When I got in it, it sounded awful, and I went into the settings, and obviously somebody's been messing around in it, and they've just really ruined it. But it's easy enough to get back. You've got media there. You click on media, and as you can see, I've kind of gone through it when I was stood still. I've got it centered on the driver now. You've got sound settings, entertainment, telephone, systems. If we just click back there, and there you go, subwoofer, bass, treble, and you've got up here DSP. I think that's the Audi system. So if we click on DSP, there you go, sound focus, and as I say, being a little bit selfish, I've got it on the driver, and you've got Gala as well. The music, if you like music, it sounds fantastic in this car now. It's set up properly. On the right hand side here, you've got your door mirror control, electric door mirrors. Just test that one. Yep, that's working. And then over there, that's working fine. You can click your nav button there. There you go, nav's on. If you switch the lights on, then it goes into night mode, so it doesn't dazzle you. You've got your climate control down here, also heated seats. The Audi climate control system's not the easiest in the world to use. You would think it is. You would think it would be, and you would think there's not a lot you could do to make it complicated. But for instance, if you click the fan, you have to click the fan, and then I'll do it again because it's timed out. Feels like a nippy car. Nice to drive. Nice position on the road. Anyway, back to the fan. So if you click the fan, it then highlights that, and then you have to use these buttons or the circular controls for the temperature and so on to move the fan up. So once you've got to know how to do it, it's fine, but it really does take a glance off the windscreen and what's happening in front of you to find the little fan switch there, and then turn it up. It's minor criticism, but it's there all the same. We seem to be down to 5 mile range, so I could do with getting off the motorway fairly quick. Incident slow down. Excellent. Might be ringing John to come and pick me up at this rate. So lovely seats. The S-Line embossed badges there. Well finished off Audis, and they do, especially the diesels, last a long time if they're properly looked after and properly serviced, and this one has been. Everything's going a bit crazy here. Hope we're not stuck here for too long. So back to the audio system. As I say, Bluetooth hands-free. That's your telephone, directory, and so on. Oh dear, it's still smouldering, and it's on the truck. Nice smooth gearbox, light clutch, and you've got your front central armrest there. Just plop that down. CD player. I will point out that another slight issue with Audis is this aluminium looks really nice. The insets in the dash, the gear tunnel and so on Unfortunately, it is quite easy to damage if you're not careful, and it's a certain type of person who damages it. So most are okay, but some, if the driver's perhaps a bit unwieldy and is, you know, moving backwards and so on, it's the wedding ring there, and it puts little dents in the aluminium, and just makes a bit of a mess. I mean, I honestly, I couldn't drive a car with it like that. It would just send me OCD through the roof. And anyway, we've got a new one. I think they're about £120, and an absolute swine to fit. But I think that's John's mission tomorrow if we're quiet. So that'll be replaced, if you notice that on the photos. So we've done quite a few of them, to be fair. We do sell a lot of Audis, so it's not every one, but we replace them. So the car will be absolutely lovely. Lance has cleaned it. He'll give it another going over once I've got it back, because the roads are a bit wet and muddy. And there we go. Just great gear change. Nice and sure-footed on the road. Bit higher up off the road. You don't feel every bump. The suspension's great. Oh, please, no. Turn right, yes. Cracked it. That leaves me free for the Grosvenor Garage suspension test. So I think it's MOT'd, was it the 21st of January 2021. So we'll be having that done again, and absolutely excellent. No knocks or bangs or creaks or groans. Feels really nice. When we get back to the garage, I'll show you how to set the sat nav, how to pair your mobile, how to delete a mobile, and how to stream audio. It has got the Audi Music Media Interface, I think it's called, MMI system. It's not on all Audis, especially the audio streaming, so that's a bonus on this car. The heat is extremely good, and so are the heated seats. Managed to get this video today. Been very, very busy. Still to come next week. Mercedes E350 diesel. 19 plate, 2 Range Rover Vogues. We've got somebody coming to see one of our Range Rover Sports today, so that should go, in which case we'll be looking for another one. That's about it, so I shall see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.